Welcome back to Auto Master. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Hymer B-Class MasterLine I 890, a premium motorhome that takes luxury and comfort on the road to a whole new level. This vehicle isn't just about getting from point A to B, it's about experiencing life on wheels with style, convenience, and top-notch performance. Hymer has outdone itself with this model, combining sophisticated design, smart features, and reliability into one complete package. Starting with the exterior, the MasterLine I 890 instantly impresses with its sleek, modern lines and aerodynamic design. The smooth curves reduce wind resistance and noise, while the large panoramic windshield gives the driver an excellent view of the road ahead. LED headlights and taillights not only look sharp but also enhance visibility during night driving. Practical touches like integrated storage compartments, a retractable awning, and large side mirrors make it easy to manage everyday travel. Sitting on a strong, stable chassis, this motorhome offers excellent handling and stability, even on winding roads, while its modern design ensures you turn heads wherever you go. Step inside, and the interior feels like a five-star hotel on wheels. The cabin is spacious, beautifully designed, and full of thoughtful details that enhance both comfort and functionality. The seating area is fully modular, with ergonomic seats that can rotate or adjust to create a versatile living space. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, including a fridge, stove, and microwave, seamlessly integrated into stylish cabinetry. The sleeping area offers a comfortable double bed with premium mattresses, and additional sleeping space can be created from convertible seating areas. Ambient lighting, soft touch surfaces, and smart storage options throughout make every corner of the MasterLine I 890 both practical and inviting. Under the hood, the Hymer B-Class MasterLine I 890 is powered by a high-performance diesel engine paired with an advanced transmission system, ensuring smooth acceleration and efficient fuel use. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps in rough terrain so even long journeys feel effortless. Maneuvering a large motorhome like this might seem challenging, but features such as parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and an optional 360-degree camera system make parking and tight turns stress-free. Hymer has also packed this motorhome with smart technology to make life on the road easier. The infotainment system includes navigation, Bluetooth, and smartphone integration, while climate control keeps the interior comfortable no matter the weather. Safety is a priority, with lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking all included. For those who enjoy off-grid adventures, optional solar panels, high-capacity batteries, and water tanks allow for extended trips without compromising comfort. In terms of price, the 2026 MasterLine I 890 is a premium offering. Prices start around €170,000 and can increase depending on configuration and optional upgrades. Considering its luxury build, advanced features, and reliability, this motorhome offers exceptional value for those looking for a high-quality, ready-to-go travel solution. In conclusion, the 2026 Hymer B-Class MasterLine I 890 is more than just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle choice. With its elegant exterior, luxurious interior, dependable performance, and smart technology, it provides a complete experience for travelers who value comfort, quality, and convenience. Whether it's a cross-country road trip, weekend getaway, or long-term adventure, the MasterLine I 890 is ready to deliver a premium, stress-free journey on the road. For anyone looking to combine luxury living with the freedom of the open road, this motorhome is hard to beat. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Auto Master for more detailed car and motorhome reviews. Your support helps us bring you the latest and best vehicles every day.